So as you know that already we have started the flip-flops. So flip-flop having the three types: RS flip-flop, D flip-flop, JK flip-flop. So we have seen the RS flip-flop. So today we will see the clocked D flip-flop. We don't have the RS flip-flop. Then we will take the clocked D flip-flop. Flip-flop. Now in case of the clock D flip-flop can be derived from RS flip-flop. Okay, we are able to construct the D flip-flop with the help of RS flip-flop, but the RS flip-flop having the two drawbacks. It having the two drawbacks. Number one, it requires the two separate units input. Require two separate inputs S and R. And second drawback, it is the possibility of forbidden of race condition that we have seen in the truth table. RS flip-flop having the race or forbidden condition. So in case of that, this possibility is there, and that is the drawback of RS flip-flop, race and forbidden condition. ठीक आहे, हे आपण ट्रूथ टेबलमध्ये बघितलं आहे की RS फ्लिपफ्लॉपला सगळ्यात शेवटी ज्यावेळेस इनपुट हाय असेल त्यावेळेस रेस आणि फॉरबिडन कंडिशन असते. ओके, मीन्स द अनप्रेडिक्टेबल आउटपुट. सो टू अवॉइड दिस टू ड्रॉबॅक्स वी हॅव invented the clock D flip-flop. Okay, so these two drawbacks can be eliminated in D flip-flop. This flip-flop needs a single data input D. So in case of the D flip-flop, it uses only a single input, and that single input is nothing but the D. So we can see the diagram for D flip-flop. That is a logic diagram of D flip-flop. It is the logic diagram where we have attached the NOT gate. It is the common input D, means single input. R, this is A, and this is your CLK, stands for clock, and it having two input Q and Q bar. Okay, so in case of this we have used this D as a common line. Now it having the circuit diagram also. So in case of, we have seen the circuit diagram for RS flip-flop, which is the NOR gate which is cross coupled to each other, and to that cross coupled NOR gate we have attached the AND gate, that is nothing but the one single input for the D flip-flop. So now we will see the D flip-flop, circuit diagram of D flip-flop. So first of all we will see the RS flip-flop, that is the crossed coupled RS flip-flop. Okay, now to make one single input, so you have to attach the AND gate here with the NOT gate. This is the NOT gate. Okay, so short the input of this both AND gate. Now again short the input of this second input, which is make as a D, which is the single input. So this is your R, this is S, this is Q, and this is Q bar. Okay, so this R and S, this gets short in case of the this AND gate, and it make a one single input, that is called as a D input, and here it is the CLK, that is your clock, which generate the pulse. This is the pulse, means it makes the circuit synchronized. म्हणजे ॲट ए टाइम एकाच वेळी आपलं सर्किट हे वर्कआउट व्हावं म्हणून आपण हा क्लॉक इथे कनेक्ट करतो. ओके, सो बाय कनेक्टिंग, आफ्टर कनेक्टिंग the circuit to the clock, then we have the truth table. See here, it having one input, that is CLK, then another input D, and we have the two output, that is Q and Q bar. So you have the input 0 1 1, X 0 1, no condition. So this is the output of your clocked D flip-flop, truth table. It is a truth table. Okay, so when you have input 0, means here cross, it is also 1 0, then we have the condition, we don't have any kind of condition, so there will be no any change in the circuit. So when you have input 1 and 0, means clock having the input 1, D having the input 0, then your Q will have the Q आउटपुट 0 आणि क्यू बारला आउटपुट असणार आहे 1, त्याचं इन्व्हर्स. ज्यावेळेस सगळ्यात हाय कंडिशन असेल, म्हणजे 1 1 अशी कंडिशन असेल, त्यावेळेस क्यू हा सेट कंडिशनला असतो, म्हणजे 1, आणि क्यू बार हा 0 असणार आहे, म्हणजेच इट इज वन काइंड ऑफ कंडिशन. ओके, आता आपण त्याचं वर्किंग बघणार आहोत. वी विल सी द वर्किंग ऑफ डी फ्लिप फ्लॉप. वेन युअर डी इज इक्वल टू 1 and S is equal to 1, then your Q becomes 1. When your D is equal to 0, so due to the inverter, R becomes high. Here when your clock, means here this input, it is equal to 1, 0. मग ह्या इन्व्हर्टरमुळे तो हाय होतो, मीन्स इन्व्हर्टर 0चं 1 मध्ये कन्वर्ट होईल, and we get the low output of Q. आपल्याला Qचं आउटपुट हे लो होतं, म्हणजे ते 0 असणार आहे. ओके, सो नाव विल सी द वर्किंग इन केस ऑफ द D flip flop. So this is the circuit diagram to build the D flip flop using the NOR, using this NOR RS flip flop. So in this case, when clock is 1, D is 1, then upper AND gate enables. This upper AND gate enables means it get activate. तो activate होतो है. The RS flip flop, we get Q is equal to 1 and Q is equal to 1 and Q bar is equal to 0. When clock is equal to 1 and D is equal to 0, then it resets the RS flip flop. RS flip flop हे reset होतं. In this way, D flip flop is operated with clock. The D flip flops are used in register circuit, ring counters, means this flip flop we are using in a counters, and in ring counter this D flip flop get used. येते लक्षात. So in case of this, when clock is 1, D is 1, then your upper AND gate will work, and that time Q will 1 and Q bar it is 0. At when clock is 1, D is 0, then you will get the output Q is equal to 0, means the circuit will reset. Means reset means what? It again will start from the first position. That is reset म्हणजे काय असतं? 0. 0 झालाय म्हणजे काय? It will stop or it will start from the first part. And your Q bar is equal to 1. Okay. So this is the truth table for D flip flop, and this is the circuit diagram for D flip flop. Clocked D flip flop. Note down the question for D flip flop. Explain clock D flip flop. Again I am repeating the question. write down the question in your notebook. Explain clock D flip-flop. So those who have not written the working of RS flip-flop, then I am sending that working also. You can note down the working and afterward note down the question. Explain clock D flip-flop, and D stands for delay. Okay, now we are going to see the counters. So what is the meaning of counters? Counter is an electronic digital circuit which is a flip-flop circuit capable of counting the number of clock pulses applied to it. Now in this circuit, see, we have seen the clock here, CLK. It is nothing but the clock. So काउंटर हे असं एक सर्किट आहे की जे इनपुट आपण क्लॉक थ्रू देतोय सर्किटला, तर त्या सर्किटचे क्लॉक पल्सेस काउंट करण्यासाठी आपण काउंटर यूज करत असतो. ओके, म्हणजे काउंटर हे एक इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सर्किट आहे आणि ते आपण फ्लिपफ्लॉपमध्ये वापरतोय. जस्ट आपण बघितलं की आपण आता डी फ्लिपफ्लॉप, क्लॉक डी फ्लिपफ्लॉप बघितला, दॅट इज डी स्टँड्स फॉर डिले. तर त्या फ्लिपफ्लॉपमध्ये जो क्लॉक आपण यूज केलेला आहे आणि त्या क्लॉक थ्रू ज्या पल्सेस जनरेट होत आहेत, तर त्या किती पल्सेस जनरेट होणार आहे, तर किती नंबर ऑफ क्लॉक पल्सेस अप्लाइड आपण करतोय, तर ते फाइंड आउट करण्याचं काम काउंटर करत असतो. ओके, सो वी कॅन से दॅट an electronic digital counter is a flip-flop circuit capable of counting the number of clock pulses applied to it. आता ज्यावेळेस आपण क्लॉक कनेक्ट करतोय, तर ते क्लॉक आपल्याला बायनरी आउटपुट देत असतं. मीन्स क्लॉक ऑलवेज गिव्स द आउटपुट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ बायनरी सिक्वेन्स. द टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्टेट्स प्रोड्यूस बाय अ काउंटर इज डिनोटेड बाय एम. जेवढ्या पल्स त्या क्लॉककडनं जनरेट झालेल्या आहे त्या आपल्याला एमने आपण डिनोट करतो. And the required number of flip-flops can be calculated by a formula. It having one formula that is called as a mode of counter. That is nothing but the required number of flip-flop which is required to that circuit, and it can be given by m is equal to 2 raised to n. M it is equal to 2 raised to n, where n is equal to number of flip-flop. Okay, suppose if you want to find out the, for example, if you want to find out the mod 16 counter, आपल्याला जर mod 16 काउंटर जर फाइंड आउट करायचा असेल, तर आपण तो कसा फाइंड आउट करणार आहोत? 2 raised to n. आपल्याला m माहिती आहे, m स्टँड्स फॉर मॉड. m काय दिला इथे? 16. म्हणजेच तो काय होणार आहे? ओके, 2 raised to n, म्हणजे n आपल्याला काढायचं आहे. व्हॉट वी आर गोइंग टू फाइंड आउट हिअर? n. सो दिस n विल कम देन 4, बिकॉज हाऊ इट इज कमिंग? 4 times. If we will multiply the 2, then we will get the answer 16. So what is the n here? 1, 2, 3, 4. That is nothing but your n. Okay, so these 4 flip-flops are required to build the circuits. Okay, there are the number of counters used here. 4-bit binary counter, it is the one part, and then we have the 16-bit binary counter also, and that is called as a decade counter.